Next morning here, Sunday. I'm going to put this on a quick time lapse. I'm thinking last night I might try and fix this a bit more and maybe fill it and prime it again. But I'm just going to give it a quick sand, see how it looks. I don't want to go too mental on it. We've a weather warning started about 20 minutes ago, so there's a storm here now. So I'm going to sand it, see how we go, and I just don't want to lose electricity in the middle of painting, that's what I think. So I can just put the whole lot in time lapse, sand it, paint it, hopefully fucking finished.